Okay, clouds keep coming and going, so the lighting might be a little inconsistent for this video, but that's just the quality you get when you get your tutorials out of a van. There it is. Okay, now the sun's coming back. So I've gotten a few questions about where I get my music and how I choose my music. So for this video, I'm just going to talk about how to use any song you want on YouTube, and then kind of just my process for picking music for my videos. So I'm a strong believer that music is one of, if not the most important parts of videography. And when you're making videos for fun and you're just making videos that are a memory for you to go back on, I definitely think you should use any song you want and not worry about finding a royalty-free song for your YouTube video. So if you're not monetizing your YouTube video, you can use just about any song you want on it. Most artists have the copyright set up so that when their song is used on a YouTube video, YouTube recognizes it and will just send any ad revenue to the musician and not to the person who created the YouTube video. But there is a way you can check ahead of time. You're just gonna go into your YouTube studio page, scroll down right here and click on Audio Library. And then right here, there's this option to, if you have different music, check its copyright policies. So you click on that. And then that's where you can search for whatever song you've used. So like I've used Casbo music before. So if you just type in Casbo, it brings up a bunch of his songs. It's got info on it. If you click this drop down, you can see here it says if you use it, it's viewable worldwide. You can't monetize your video. It even gives you info if you perform a cover. So that's super helpful. Once you've actually uploaded your video, before you make it public, you can just double check again to make sure that the song you used is all good. So if you go to videos right here, this is where it's gonna tell you if there was a copyright claim or not. So in this latest video, I used a Brian Eno song. I can click right here where it says view copyright claim details. And that's where it shows me like, it's good to go, my channel's not affected, but I'm not able to monetize my video. Yeah, so there it is right there. You've got the A-OK from YouTube. Your channel's not gonna get a copyright strike. Brian Eno is gonna get any ad revenue that he deserves because I used his incredible song, and it's all good to go. So that's just like the logistics of checking the copyright of a song. As far as personally for me, how I pick my music, I've always kind of gotten strong visuals in my brain anytime I listen to music, and I think that's the case with a lot of people. When you listen to music, it evokes certain emotions, and maybe it brings you back to a time, or maybe it makes you picture something or picture a place. So I just try to be really aware of that when I am listening to music. Anytime I'm listening to music, I don't have to have a video in mind, but anytime I'm listening to music, I just try to think about what it makes me feel and if it makes me picture anything, things like that. And then I compile different playlists that are associated with different moods or different feelings. So I've got an inspiring playlist, and I've got a busy city rush playlist, and just certain categories so that I take a note in my brain of what a song makes me feel, and then down the road, if I'm making a video and I'm like, I need some big grand inspiring song, I can go to this playlist where in the past it's made me feel these ways, and then I have a list of songs that have already kind of evoked that emotion for me. All that said, I did make a playlist that I'm gonna try to keep updated with just music that I've used in my YouTube videos and some of my Instagram videos. It's kind of just gonna be a place where I gather all of the songs that I've used. So if you want to follow that, it's a playlist on Spotify. So I'll link that below if you want to follow it. It's just for fun, really. If this was completely irrelevant to you, I'm really sorry. It is like a cash only kind of deal, so there's no refunds or exchanges or anything, but that's just what you need to expect when you get your tutorial out of a van. That's stupid. But that's all I've got. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.